Hey guys, so today we have Evo IX back in that we've previously last year, beginning of this year, we did the exterior paint on it, all the carbon trims, bit of an engine refresh on it. Now the customer wants us to do full bottom resto on it. So I've assessed everything and now basically I'm going to start stripping. As you can see, the wheels are off, exhaust is off, so I'm just going to carry on taking everything apart. And as we go, I'll show you what we're going to do from blasting, waxing, cleaning the actual body, brake lines, everything. So stay tuned. All right, so we got the car jacked up at the moment. Overall, it's really good condition. It's not badly corroded or anything. It's just age and surface rust, really. I don't know if you can see, but on the legs, here on the heat shields on the fuel tank, it's like very minor. We're going to be blasting all these aluminium arms, subframes and everything, so it will look like brand new. We're also speaking to the customer if he wants to go back to original, or we're going to buy brand new coilovers. And yeah, everything on it is pretty good, to be fair. So I'll carry on stripping, and then once we have everything off, I'll show you more from there, really. All right guys, so we're on day 2 now of the Evo restoration underbody revamp. As you can see, everything is now off. I've stripped all front subframe, rear subframe, all the arms. I've taken everything apart once it's on the floor. So that I'll be blasting. We're going to powder coat the subframes and the sway bars. All the alley arms is going to be put in the wet blaster, dry blaster and wet blaster. Haven't taken coilovers yet off, as customers not sure what's going to happen, what we're going to do. We're going to put new ones or not. So next, what I'm doing now is I'm using the needle gun and I'm just loosening all the rust, checking everywhere that is okay. And then from there I'll be going and grinding and then treat the metal and then start with the wax on the underside. Today is day 4. We've done full strip down on the underside. All wax areas we've grinded back and treated. We also had this sill here was squashed, so I've straightened that sill. Next, what we're going to be doing is, I've also, as well, just to say, I've done the brake lines, redone the brake lines and the brackets, so busy putting all those back in. From here on now, we're going to be doing the front subframe, rear subframe, north-south bar, and all the aluminium arms are going to be blasting. From there on, it will be gathering all the parts together, replacing what bushes need to be replaced, and then reassemble. And then she is done. Day 5. As you can see, arms are all blasted. Nothing secure yet, because we just need to do the diff and subframes and so on. We've done all the brake lines of Reagan. You have a look, see the brake lines are all done, all the brackets are done. Fuel tank has been waxed, full underside is waxed. We've also put in brand new grommets throughout the whole car. If you have a look here, all brand new. Heat shields are done, props back in. So next is going to be fit the subframes, front and rear, diff, fluids, put all back together, and then once everything's all together, wax, clear wax. So stay tuned for that. Hey guys, so the Evo's finished up on the ramp. We're on day, I don't know, many days. So if I show you underneath, this isn't a full resto, but this is just like all arms and body, not diff and hubs and all that. So if I show you, I've blasted all the arms, all the aluminium arms. They've been blasted and coated and waxed. I've done the AYC lines, all the brake lines. Reagan, if you show them with all the brackets all the way to the front. I've had front subframe and rear subframe pieces, filler neck, AYC housing, all of those powder coated. Got brand new bolts, adjustment bolts on the rear for camber and toe. I've done a quick little polish on the exhaust so it looks a little bit better. As you can see, it is a little bit tired. He hasn't gone for any new coilovers. These aren't knocking or anything, but as you can see, they are a little bit age related, so rusty and paint chipped and so on. If you have a look under here, everything has been black waxed, very thin layer, so it was cleaned, which is hot wash. Then we did a grinded back any surface rust or any bad areas. Then we did a rust treatment on it, left that for 24 hours, and then started with the wax. As you can see, it's fully waxed. We put all brand new grommets throughout. These brackets are also, all these jacking points have also been redone. If you come through to the front, you can see everything, all these, the subframe, this north-south bar, these supports, front arms as well have been done. Everything is fully coated, as these might not look like they're coated, but they have a clear wax coating on them. We also have all new bushings front to back, drop links front and rear. So we've done quite a lot on this vehicle. There's still a lot more that can be done on it, but obviously it's money and time and so on. All right, so this car came to us in summer, had a full exterior paint. While I was here, we did glass out and everything. The customer said to us, is there anything we can do about the underside, because it was a little bit rusty and not great. So what we've done is, it's not a nuts and bolt resto, but we have restored it and made it look as good as we can within budget. As Reagan is going to show you loads of photos and cinematics and so on. But if you want your Evo done in a similar manner, you want it done better, you want it done more, you want a little bit, that bit, whatever, get in contact with us, speak to Paul in the office, message Chris. We are here. See you soon.